This video is to demonstrate the operation of the 8-channel logic level converter TXS0108E. We start off by measuring the reference voltage, 5 volts, and then we measure the secondary voltage, which is 3.7. We connect the grounds of the two voltages together. And then we connect the secondary reference voltage to VA. Then we connect the primary voltage, 5 volts, to VB. Last step is to connect the OE, the negative, the ground to the converter, and then we need to connect the OE pin to the 3.3 volts as well. Now we are ready to apply 3.3 volts at pin A1 and measure the output at B1. It is 5 volts. We have applied 3.3 volts and we measured an output of 5 volts. Now we're going to try the opposite. We're going to apply 5 volts as an input to B1 and then measure the output of 3.7 volts at A1. That's it. Thank you very much.